Hey, welcome to 1159 Videos. Today I'm going to show you a neat little trick on taking your CV axles off. Getting the bolt off sometimes can be pretty stubborn. You can use an impact. I usually use a breaker bar. So I'm going to show you a little trick. First thing you're going to want to do is right where it's the notch is. The bolt is usually tapped into that notch. So I just take something, I'll tap in there a few times, make sure it's pushed out as much as I can. Then I take something as simple as a screwdriver right here, and I will simply stick it right in the rotor, right up against where the brakes are. Put my breaker bar and my ratchet, my socket right there, and I will step down right up on it, and boom. Once you get that off like that, that will save you so much. That way it doesn't push the rotor through. Car doesn't move. It doesn't try to turn the other wheel on the other side. And from there, as you see, it is done. Hope that helps you guys out. That's 1159 Videos, and we're out.